In this video, we are going to see 10th Standard Science Kalvi TV Assignment Unit 1. Laws of Motion, Part A. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First one, inertia of a body depends on options A, weight of the object, B, acceleration due to gravity, C, mass of the object, D, both A and B. The correct answer, option C, mass of the object. Second question. In a rocket, a large volume of gases produced by the combustion of fuel is allowed to escape through its tail nozzle in the downward direction with a tremendous speed and makes the rocket to move upward. Which principle is followed in this takeoff of the rocket? Options A, moment of inertia, B, conservation of momentum, C, Newton's first law of motion, D, Newton's law of gravitation. The correct answer, option B, conservation of momentum. Third question, there are two statements. A, Newton's first law is valid from the pilot in an aircraft which is taking off. B, Newton's first law is valid from the observer in a train moving with constant velocity. Which of the following is correct? Options A only. Option B, B only. Option C, both A and B. Option D, both A and B. Wrong. Correct answer, option C, both A and B. Fourth question, which of the following law is used to discover new stars and planets? Options A, Newton's first law, B, Newton's second law, C, Newton's third law, D, Newton's law of gravitation. The correct answer, D, Newton's law of gravitation. Fifth question, the resultant force of two equal parallel forces acting in opposite direction in the same line of action is? Options A, F net is equal to F1 plus F2, B, F net is equal to F2 minus F1, C, F net is equal to F2 plus F1, D, F net is equal to 0. Correct answer, option D, F net is equal to 0. Part B, short answers. 11th question, define inertia, give its classification. Answer. Inertia, the inherent property of a body to resist any change in its state of rest or the state of uniform motion unless it is influenced upon by an external unbalanced force, is known as inertia. Types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. Second question, if a 5 Newton and a 15 Newton forces are acting opposite to one another, find the resultant force and the direction of action of the resultant force. Resultant force F net is equal to F2 minus F1. Here F2 is 15 Newton, F1 is 5 Newton. Therefore F net is equal to 15 minus 5, which means 10 Newton. So resultant force F net is equal to 10 Newton. The action of the resultant force is the direction of F2. Third question, state Newton's second law. Newton's second law of motion, the force acting on a body is directly proportional to the rate of change of linear momentum of the body. F is equal to m into A. Part C, write in detail. 18th question, what are the types of inertia? Give an example for each type. Answer. Types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. Inertia of rest, the resistance of a body to change its state of rest is called inertia of rest. Example, when you vigorously shake the branches of a tree, some of the leaves and fruits are detached and they fall down. Inertia of motion, the resistance of a body to change its state of motion is called inertia of motion. Example, an athlete runs some distance before jumping because this will help him jump longer and higher. Inertia of direction, the resistance of a body to change its direction of motion is called inertia of direction. Example, when you make a sharp turn while driving a car, you tend to lean sideways.